So when you go to sell this, are you gonna like change that?
No.
Like, oh, all right.
I'm just gonna put a cup in the cup holder and then take it to car.
Okay. All right. Oh my gosh. I like this hood though. I really do. Oh God. Yeah, we could do that.
There you go.
Oh, thank you so much, Dad.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Oh wait, I gotta put the clutch on.
Yep.
Oh wait, I'm gonna have to adjust the seat.
Oh God.
Neutral. Okay. I'll give these back to you.
This cup holder is cut, so we got the USB port free in there.
Oh, thank God.
Clearance issues. So.
Yeah, I'd rather be a little closer to the steering wheel than further away. Don't want to turn it into a salvage title on a rainy day. All right. Well, it is a little wet out today, so we're not gonna do a full rip. But we'll.
Cup 2 is once you're in third, you're good.
How do I turn on your windshield wipers? Down or up?
Yeah, that's auto.
Okay. That is so satisfying. That is like the most satisfying shift I've ever had. It's like a nice like thunk into gear. That makes the driving experience like way better.
Continue straight.
I love that. Like that shifter is amazing. And what brand is it?
This is a CAE shifter.
Okay. Chassis mount, right?
Correct. Yep. They're a German company. So you can customize like what you want. They'll make it for different applications, but you can customize like if you want this in black or anodized or whatever knob you want.
Wow. Like it feels really good.
Yeah, it completely changes the car.
Yeah, because I remember the last time I drove it, it's very like relaxed, but like this gives you like a whole different feeling.
Yeah, the biggest benefit besides, such a mechanical feeling shift is, of course, the fact that, it's so close to the wheel.
Yeah.
If you're driving in a spirited fashion, you're going to come up at a stop sign here, so watch out.
Oh.
If you're driving in a spirited fashion, it's just right there. You don't really have to disconnect. So, if you'd like, we can make a right, and then we'll loop back through the tunnel.
Okay.
Tunnel action.
Oh yeah, you hear it. Oh, now I hear it. Like, yeah.
Yeah, the first day, I wasn't sure if it was transwine or like the selector rod on the like Weevo section of the drive shaft.
Yeah.
So I was really pissed because there's like really tight tolerance there, but it's just transwine. So it's kind of fun.
Yeah. Trying to clean the driveway, man.
It's raining out.
Oh my god, this rear seat delete is crazy. The wide in first and second.
Yep. And then you'll make a left up here.
Man, the springs in this,
Yeah.
crazy.
Very satisfying. Like I know you'll remember from when you drove how rubbery it was.
Mm-hmm.
Like, it's weird how stock BMW shifters are. Like, they want to be precise and notchy, but they're so rubbery, like, going into each, like, gate, if you will. It's very weird.
Yeah. It's so satisfying. Like, the shifter changes the entire driving feel of the car.
Yeah. 100%.
Like, before shifting, it was just like, and driving, it was like, all right, like, you know, super easy, like, simple, like, it wasn't anything crazy, but like now, like, you shift and it's just like you know you're in gear and like you know you're going. I don't, if that like makes sense.
Yeah. And it's so precise too. Like, I never found myself really missing gears before, but it wasn't very exact.
Right.
You know, you didn't know for sure, hey, this gear is distinct from this gear, is distinct from this gear. And with this, it's just like so click, clack,
yeah.
exactly where it's at.
Like, I thought the short shifter in my car was crazy just because of how short everything was, but like this is wild.
Yeah, it's bananas. It's the closest thing I guess you can get to a gated.
Okay. Just trying to give this guy a little room. We're not making that turn, right?
No.
Okay. Cup 2s feel nice. This is my first time driving on Cup 2s, so.
So coming up here, this little side entrance, when we get to the main intersection up here in the corner,
Yeah.
make a right.
Okay.
This one, follow that truck.
Oh God. Oh my God. It's so, it's like, the shifter makes this car feel, I don't even know how to explain like how direct it makes the car feel. Because like you said before, it was really rubbery, but like you were in gear, it was like, it wasn't mushy, but it was close to it.
Yeah, you're just cruising along.
Yeah, but like the shifter now is just so like direct, and it makes you feel really confident driving the car.
You'll be right up here. We're gonna take this.
Okay.
You're welcome to drive as long as you please.
Oh no, I got the experience just now. I almost pooped myself.
I would say maybe take this abandoned parking lot and do some fun shit, but I don't know how comfortable you feel doing that.
Oh my God, those tires are so grippy. They're so grippy.
You're like constantly battling.
Nice. Let's turn that back on so we don't die. But okay. All right. Never mind. We're back in 6th gear and we're cruising.
You gotta leave that in there.
Okay. Like, all right. First and last POV drive in the rain. Okay. I just need a minute. All right. You can't lie. You were a little scared. Wow, this was wild. Jesus.
Yeah, did you peep what we had to do here? We had to cut this cup holder and relocate the USB port from here to here because this is like got some clearance issues. So that's what the bad boy looks like underneath.
Oh, wow.
It's properly mounted.
Yeah, that's pretty dope. So when you go to sell this, are you gonna like change that?
No.
Like, oh, all
No,
right.
I'm just gonna put a cup in the cup holder and then take it to CarMax.
Yo. Oh my god. Anyone finds this car at CarMax, just know that's what happened to it. Oh my gosh. I like this hood though, I really do.
Yeah, it changes the look of the front end. Like, I like this car a lot, and I like the F80M3, but I like this car better.
Yeah.
Just cleaned it up, made it look more aggressive.
No, it looks super good. Well, thank you.